All right, so in this video, I wanted to show you what I eat sometimes for breakfast when I have no clue what to eat. I don't feel like having oatmeal. I don't want to have any grits. I don't want a tofu scramble. I'm not going to go and do a coconut yogurt or a soy yogurt. I just need something that's hearty and filling. So usually what I have in my refrigerator is I have little bowls of chopped up vegetables that I can just grab easily, and I can throw it onto a rice cake. And if I have that already in my refrigerator, then within a couple of minutes I can make my breakfast, and I can either take it on the go or I can start to eat it as I am dressing. All right, so let me show you. Super easy. Okay, so what I have here, first and foremost, I have a plain rice cake, and they're super easy. They're hearty. Usually I'll need about 3 of these. I have some cut radishes, grated carrots. I have an English cucumber. I have some cilantro. Then we have olives. I have a little bit of hummus. Then I have some pepperoncinis. I have some scallions. And then I have my tomatoes. So this is basically what I'm going to have in the fridge. I keep it covered with some saran wrap, but I'm going to quickly make my breakfast. So what I first do is I take a layer of my hummus, and I'm going to make 2 of these. I'll take that. And my hummus, that's my protein. So I don't mind smearing quite a bit on because this is protein that will carry you through the morning. So here I have 2. I have 2 of my rice cakes. So let's start building this. I love pepperoncinis, so I'm just going to put some pepperoncinis on this one. And I think on the other one, I'm going to put some olives. I'll start with olives first. You can make this any way that you like, okay? Next, I love cilantro. It gives me a nice flavor, and frankly, I'm going to put it on both. All right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some scallions over here. Scallions will be on this one. I'm going to take some radish on this one, and again, you can do it however you like. Doesn't have to be my way. My way is not the right way. My way is just the way that I like to eat. All right, I'm going to put some carrots over here too. They're both going to have some cucumber. It's fantastic. So you're starting your day off knowing that you're going to be eating really well. They both have some tomatoes. If you want, you can add some pepper on this. You can also add some vegan cheese. Take a look at this. You see that? That is going to be my breakfast. And what I could do, I could also take an apple. I can take my apple and add that. And my breakfast is going to be absolutely perfect. Look at that. That's a beautiful breakfast. And you'll be filled. Wasn't that super easy? I have my coffee. Today I decided to drink some coffee rather than some tea. I'll need that for sure. It's going to be a long day. And then my breakfast. This is a very healthy, very filling breakfast, and it has protein in it, and it took me all of 2 minutes to make. It took much faster than making bacon and eggs or pancakes. I know that this is light, it's going to nourish me, and as long as I prep my little bowls in advance, I can take this at any time. So this makes a nice alternative for a breakfast. Let me go ahead and try it. So I'm going to eat this while I put on some makeup, and then I can run out the door. Make healthy choices, one meal at a time. All right, have a good day.